love it here. Activity all day long. Beautiful, beautiful. People just chilling, enjoying Africa, the motherland, Sierra Leone. Yeah. Here at River Number 2, music goes on till 12 o'clock at night, till 12 on the beach. Then after that, it's still, we have the lights are on, people can still come on the beach after. It's so beautiful at night with the bright lights and the sea. It's absolutely beautiful, my people. You have to come here. Genes of Greatness Tours. This is just one of the places that we will take you. You have young entrepreneurs on the beach selling their wares. At the back there's a market where people are selling their wares. Just young entrepreneurs trying. They're really trying. You have to admire them. You have to come, my people. You have to come. Genes of Greatness Tours, Sierra Leone.